Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy noodles without cheese. We'll dive straight into creating incredibly rich and satisfying pasta dishes using clever plant-based alternatives. You'll learn simple methods to transform everyday ingredients into a velvety sauce that perfectly coats your favorite noodles. Get ready to enjoy a delicious, dairy-free meal that tastes absolutely amazing and is surprisingly easy to prepare. One fantastic way to achieve incredible creaminess is by using cashew cream. Simply soak about 1 cup of raw cashews in hot water for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight. Then, drain them and blend with about 1/2 cup of fresh water until completely smooth and silky. This creates a neutral, rich base that mimics dairy cream beautifully. A little salt and a touch of lemon juice will enhance its natural flavor. Another excellent option for a creamy, dairy-free sauce is silken tofu. Its soft texture blends into an incredibly smooth and luxurious base. Take 1 block of soft or silken tofu and blend it with about 1/4 cup of reserved pasta water until it's perfectly smooth. This adds body and richness without altering the flavor profile too much. Season it with your favorite spices like garlic powder and a hint of white pepper for a delightful finish. To truly perfect your creamy, cheese-free noodles, remember a few key tips. Always reserve at least 1 cup of that starchy pasta cooking water. It's liquid gold for emulsifying your sauce. When combining, toss your hot noodles with the prepared sauce immediately. The residual heat helps everything meld together beautifully. Finally, a sprinkle of fresh herbs like chopped parsley or chives adds a wonderful pop of color and freshness to your delicious, creamy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.